Okay, so here we are going to close a ticket. So you work in IT department for a small corporate network, and in this lab your task is to complete the following. We're going to open the company's help desk issue tracks. So this issue tracks here, and for the ticket created by Taylor, so here we're going to locate the ticket created by Taylor. And I installed Audacity on your system last night. So we'll go over here and we're going to type in Taylor. I installed Audacity. On your system last night. So we'll go ahead and add this, and I think that is all. We'll go ahead and close this ticket. So let's go back. So this is done. So go ahead and see how we do. You can see this is 100% correct. All right, go ahead and score up.
College life can be tough. Health, family, and life challenges can make tech courses overwhelming. Our tech tutoring service helps you master labs, discussions, and assignments, step by step. No matter the challenge, we ensure you rise above, with confidence and an A+. Dream Set Services, helping you succeed with confidence.